When can kids start getting adjusted? We had some fun this week asking our patients what their thoughts are as when kids can get adjusted. Well, the real answer you can see we have circled here is at birth. So when babies enter the world, there's a variety of different reasons why it's so critically important that they get checked to make sure that there aren't any spinal misalignments that are affecting their neurologic health. I'm going to talk with you a little bit about that on another video, but I just thought it was kind of funny on a couple of these answers. Age 7, age 3, age 8, age 45. Why wait till you're age 45 and you've gotten so far into your life and lots of different things going on? Early and often, getting checked and using chiropractic as a first choice versus a last resort is a key for you.